Okay, so here's our challenge today, 6 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2. A lot of students might be saying, okay, this is the easiest challenge I've ever seen. I handled this subtraction division in the 3rd grade, so I can easily solve it. So go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section, 3 options A, B, and C, and then we will check our answers in the end of the video. It will be really interesting. So a lot of students say, okay, right here's our first interpretation. They say, okay, we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2. They say, okay, we have 6 minus 2 on the left hand side, we have 6 minus 2 on the right hand side, so it looks like right here we have 4, right here we have 4 if we subtract 6 minus 2, and then with the division in the middle we have 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1, and this is option A. So a lot of students say, okay, option A correct, and I go to the next challenge, to the next question in my math test. But in math, we should know what is the correct order to do this problem. We can't solve our challenges randomly, because right here it looks like our randomly solution. We solve this question wherever we want. But in terms of math, we should know what is the correct order to do this problem, because obviously, whatever order of operation we select is going to create a different answer, right? So in this second interpretation, let's solve this question, or let's rewrite it at first. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2. So in this second interpretation, let's look, for example, at this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. So in this second interpretation, let's solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation, okay? So this PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom, so parentheses has the highest priority. So saying in other words, if we have parentheses, we should start to evaluate, to simplify expression inside parentheses, then we should evaluate exponent, then we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step is addition and subtraction group, okay? So right here in this interpretation, let's solve this question according to PEMDAS order of operation. How do we solve these challenges according to PEMDAS? We should scan what elements do we have in our challenge. We have subtraction, we have division. So let's find where do we have it. Right here we have subtraction as our last step, and we have division right here in the middle. We don't have addition, we don't have multiplication, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses. And as I told before, higher position, higher priority, lower position, lower priority. So division is up than subtraction, so it has the higher position than subtraction. So we should divide our expression. Where do we have, of course, this division sign? We have this division sign right here in the middle, and we apply this division only to these two values, 2 and 6, okay? So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 6, let's write as a fraction. So we can do this, 2 over 6, this is like 1 over 3. So we have 1 over 3 and minus 2. So we complete this division part, and the last step is subtraction part. Subtraction part is our final step with this addition, of course. If we have addition subtraction, we find our exact value, because this is very basic subtraction. Moreover, we don't have our order of operation. We don't need our order of operation because this is very basic subtraction. Saying in other words, we have 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we have 4 minus 1/3, which is equal to 12/3 minus 1/3 equal to 11 over 3. So we have this option C. And right here a lot of students confused, because we have option C, right here we have option A, and they confused about the answer. They don't know what is the correct answer, this one or this one. And one part of student tell that correct answer is A, another part of student this is option C. And of course I want to explain what is the correct answer. If you look closer to this operation, to this expression, we subtract at first, then we subtract at second, so we jump from left to right, and then we divide in the end. So this looks like a randomly method, which is not really good in terms of math, because we can't solve our challenges randomly. And subtraction before division, this is a very big mistake. If you want to get this correct, you should put parentheses. If you write brackets right here, then you should start from these parentheses, which is our first step. And of course, subtraction will have the higher priority than division. So then you should subtract, and correct answer is option A. In our case, we don't have parentheses, so we forget about this option A. And of course, correct answer is option C, because we solved it according to a correct order of operation, division first, then subtraction. This is correct order of operation. So correct answer is option C. Let's write our answer. Let's write our answer to this challenge. Correct answer is option C. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I really hope you solved this question like that. Your answer is option C, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help with any of these classes, I have more than 200 videos on my YouTube channel about really interesting pre-algebra concept, brain tests, so I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you for your time. See you in the next videos, and have a great day.